at the canal, it's a busy day. Digley, Daisy and Rocky are fixing things today. Rocky's here with his cargo for Digley to unload. Daisy spins it on the bank so they're ready to go. Mrs. Skip and Mr. Rubble stop by for a chat. Oh no, the wind is picking up. Quick, follow that hat. Down at the canal, it's a busy day. Digley, Daisy and Rocky are fixing things today. Rocky's rocking to his tunes, he can't hear all the shouts. Digley, quick, get after him, you need to sort it out. Zipping round the barrels now has Digley in a twist. Try to hit him with that water, oh, looks like you missed. Down at the canal, it's a busy day. Digley, Daisy and Rocky are fixing things today. Rocky still keeps rocking out as he sails away.
It's a bright sunny day at Construction HQ. Everyone is excited to start work. Today, they need to repair an old bridge that's collapsed in the middle. That'll be fun. The team arrive happily at the broken bridge. Wow, look at all the holes. But they need to get their planks at the far side to fix it. Where's Daisy going? Whoa! Mr. Rubble almost got knocked over the edge. Daisy can't get over the gap. But maybe she can reach the planks with a hook. Oh, nearly! Give it another go. Oh no, she's knocked it into the river. But at least Daisy tried. What are they going to do now? Digley's got it. He's going to try and reach across. Watch out, the plank is collapsing. Phew. Great save, Daisy. But how are they going to get across and get those planks? Wait a minute. I think Digley has a plan, watching Daisy's hook swing back and forth. Oh, they're going to swing Mr. Rubble over the gap. That's a long way down. And Mr. Rubble doesn't like heights. He's nervous. But Digley and CJ are encouraging him. Go on, Mr. Rubble. Be brave. You can do it. Mr. Rubble is swinging. This isn't so bad. It's actually great fun. He's having a great time. He can grab the planks on that side and deliver them to the crew on the other side. Now, with a bit of cement to stick it, the bridge will be repaired in no time. There, all done. Good job, team. But look. Mr. Rubble is still swinging. He's having so much fun, he doesn't want to stop.
Another windy day at Construction HQ. That wind really is blowing today. But today they're building a bigger enclosure for the sheep at the farm. Oh dear. The old sheep enclosure is far too small. Good job they're building a new one. That wind really is cold. And whoa, strong as well. But wait, what's Digley seeing? Look, it's an old farm windmill, but it's wobbling all over the place in the wind. I think it's going to collapse. They have to stop it falling onto the sheep. Phew. Good job, Daisy. Now it's falling towards the pigs. Uh-oh, look out. Phew, Daisy saved it again. Now it's falling back towards the sheep again. Oh dear. This is no good at all. What are they going to do? Wait. I think Digley has an idea. Digley's climbed up on a box. He's taken the wheel off the top. Ah, he's taking the old tower apart from the top down, so it can't fall over and hurt anyone. In no time at all, they've taken the tower apart. Now what can they do with all these planks of wood? They can recycle all the old planks from the tower and use them to build a bigger pen for the sheep. It's always good to build something new out of something old, instead of throwing things away. There, now the sheep have a much bigger place to play. Good job, everyone. It's still a bit windy. Uh-oh, Mr. Rubble's hat. One of the sheep has it. Now he's got to get it.
Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. It fits with a swing. Come on, Digley, plug it in. Oh no, something's wrong. The lights are out, the power's gone. Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. Take a look behind, then we'll see what you can find. Ah, yes, now you see. No time to waste. Follow that lead. Digley and Dazey working on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. Watch out, sparks and smoke. The big generator's broke. Fix it if you can, but Dazey has a different plan. Use light from the sun. Solar power is the one. Now the job is done. CJ, you can turn them on. Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right.
Mr. Rubble is heading off for a much-needed holiday. So today's building work is up to Digley and Dazey. And today they need to build a brick wall. That looks pretty easy. Time to get started. Dazey thinks they should start the wall here. Oh, Digley doesn't think so. He thinks they should start here. Dazey doesn't agree. Maybe they could start in the middle. Digley and Dazey disagree. They're not going to work together. And poor CJ is stuck in the middle. Digley and Dazey are each going to build their own wall the way they think it should be built. Each of them wants their wall to be the best. They're building faster and faster. Poor CJ is struggling to keep up with all the cement they need. Something is wrong. They've been so focused on their own walls that now they've trapped themselves in. This is no good. But I think Dazey has an idea. Yes, Digley agrees. They shouldn't fight. They should work together to fix the problem. Dazey has knocked her bit of the wall down. Now Digley is knocking his down too. There. Now they can start over again. But this time, Digley and Dazey will work together and build one big wall that'll be nice and strong. They put all the bricks in place. Hooray! The wall is finished. Daisy's happy with it. And so is Digley. Good teamwork, guys. CJ is so happy they're friends again.